Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous neutral fall wreath. I just love how it turned out, so if you want to see how I made it, then continue watching. So the supplies that I have to use for my wreath is this eucalyptus stem from Walmart, and it was only $3. I picked up these white flowers from Michael's, and they were having a sale for buy one get one free off of all their fall florals. I picked up these white pumpkin clips from the Dollar Tree. I have a few pine cones that I already had. I also picked up this grapevine wreath from Walmart, and I don't remember how much it cost, but I think it was like $3, and this is in 12-inch size. Of course, I'm going to have my hot glue gun that I'm going to use. Also, I'm going to be using Rust-Oleum flat white primer to paint my little pumpkins. So I'm going to start off by removing the clips from the bottom of the pumpkin, and also I am going to remove the stem. I will be using the stem still, so I'm going to put those to the side. So I'm going to take my spray paint and I'm going to spray paint my pumpkins. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and stick the stems back into the pumpkins. So I have my grapevine wreath here, and I'm going to take my eucalyptus, my flowers, and my pumpkins, and my pine cones, and I'm going to go ahead and start decorating my wreath with it. So here is my finished neutral fall wreath, and I just love how it turned out. Just think that this is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to hang it up. If you love this as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.